students of class 2. Today we will start the next lesson in your EVS book. Okay, the name of that lesson is Houses Around Us. So everyone open your EVS book to the lesson Houses Around Us and let us start this chapter. Today's date is the 10th. So let us come to the PPT and see what is in store for us in this lesson. Everyone open your EVS book to Houses Around Us. We all need a house to live in. We live with our family in a house. Our house protects us from all kinds of dangers and keeps us safe. It keeps us warm during winter and cool during summer. It also gives us shelter when it rains or snows. So, we all need a house to live in, okay? We live with our family in a house, okay? We live with whom? We live with our family in our house. And the house protects us from dangers and keeps us safe. It keeps us warm during the winter time and it keeps us cool during the summer time. It also gives us shelter from what? From rains or snows. Different kind of houses. There are different kinds of houses. Kacha houses are made of straw, mud and wood. Okay, see, kacha houses are made of straw, mud and wood. They are usually found in villages and have thatched roofs. See, thatched roofs. Okay, these houses are not very strong. Okay, they are not so strong. Okay. Pakka houses are strong houses. Pakka houses, strong houses, made of bricks, cement, steel and stone. They last for a long time. Houses in towns and cities are usually pakka houses. Okay, so they are stronger pakka houses and they are made of bricks, cement, steel and stone, and they last for a longer period of time. And these houses are found usually in cities and towns. All right. People living in the plains live in houses such as huts, bungalows, apartment buildings, duplex houses and skyscrapers. In the hills, people build houses with sloping roofs. Okay, so people in the plains, they live in houses such as huts, bungalows, apartment buildings, duplex houses and skyscrapers, apartments, flats, okay. Skyscrapers. People living in plains live in these kind of houses, okay. And in the hillside, people usually build houses with a sloping roof, okay. Usually the houses in the hillside have sloping roofs. People build different types of houses based on the following factors: the different building material that can be used, the money one can spend on making the house, the place where the house is being built, whether the house is needed for a short or a long time. So what are the different things that are taken into account for building a house? The different types of houses based on the following factors. Okay. So people build different houses based on these, taking these points into account based on these factors. Now first one, the different building material that should be used. Okay. The money that is used to make a house, the place where the house is being built, and whether the house is needed for a long period of time or a short period of time. People take this into account when they are building a house. Is it clear? Okay students, that's all for today. We will continue with the lesson in your next class. Alright. Okay students, thank you. So, in the next class, we will continue with the lesson. I hope whatever I have taught you is clear to you students. Okay. We will continue with the lesson in your next class. Please read whatever I have taught you today and learn it nicely. Thank you students and God bless.